Hi, thank you for watching this video. What I'm going to talk about with you guys is a tricky grammatical problem of bar structure. Now, most of you must have heard of this bar structure through your Chinese classes or examinations. And this bar structure could be tricky to somebody, so now let's talk about this. Now, we're looking at two separate sentences. I add a table on to a computer, and I bought a computer put at the table on. Well, if we translate them into Chinese, that will be 我在桌子上放电脑 and 我把电脑放在桌子上. Well, we can see very obviously the second sentence is put into the bar structure. Now we can take a look at it here. The first sentence goes with the order that I as the subject, add a table on as the location and verb, put as the verb, and then the computer as the object is at the end of the sentence. Now what I want to say is that this computer is now being stressed because it is at the end of the sentence. Now the question is, what if I just want to emphasize my location, 在桌子上, on the table? Now I really have to change this order of the sentence. I have to take the computer to the to the front, to before, just right after the subject 我. After I say I bought a computer, put, and then the result I got is that my location of verb is now at the end of the sentence. 我把电脑放在桌子上. Now you can see very obviously in the first sentence the structure goes subject, location, verb, and object. In the second sentence we see subject, 把 plus object, verb, and location. So whatever you want to emphasize in a sentence, you want to put it at the end of the sentence. Now the way how you do that is you have to take this object away, which is bar. Now let's just imagine this bar is a big magnet. It just takes the object away to the front, right after the subject, so that you get to emphasize anything you want at the end of the sentence. Now just like the two following sentences, I on the table put a computer. Now in this sentence, computer is stressed because it is at the end of the sentence. And the second one, I have the computer put on the table. Now the location and the verb on the table is very obviously being stressed. Now, let's just take a look at the next two sentences. 我告诉你这个名字 and 我把这个名字告诉你. Now, the following two sentences are a little special because we actually have two objects in a sentence. Now 告诉 as tell in English is the center of the sentence. Now I have to tell you guys that this tell is the verb. And you is the indirect object, and 这个名字, this name, is the direct object. Now this is apparently that this direct object, 这个名字, this name, is now being stressed because it is at the end of the sentence. Now what if I just want to emphasize this indirect subject you? Indirect object you. Now what I have to do is to take the bar and put it right before 这个名字, just like how I did in the second one. 我把这个名字. Now I'll put this bar 这个名字 with bar and object right after the subject I. Now then I have this 告诉你 at the end of the sentence. Now this indirect object 你 is now being stressed. So this is how the bar structure works. Now thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.